Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see a notification $1,000 just landed in your account. No boss, no commute, just you and your laptop, making money on your own terms. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you it's not only possible, but absolutely achievable, even if you're starting from zero? But here's the harsh truth. Most people will never make it happen. They'll stay stuck in the 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of financial freedom but never taking action. Why? Because they don't have a step-by-step plan. That's where you come in. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can make your first $1,000 online. No fluff, no scams, just actionable steps. Oh, and if you're thinking, but I don't even have a laptop, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's get real for a second. The internet is flooded with so-called get-rich-quick schemes. Make $10,000 in a week. Quit your job with this one trick. Sound familiar? Spoiler alert, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And let's be honest, most of us have fallen for it at least once. But here's the thing, making money online isn't about shortcuts. It's about strategy. It's about knowing where to start, what to focus on, and how to avoid the pitfalls that trip up 99% of people. So, what's the first step? It's simpler than you think, but it's also the most overlooked. Alright, let's get into it. Here's your step-by-step guide to making your first $1,000 online. Step 1. Choose your money-making method. For beginners, I recommend starting with one of these three: freelancing, selling digital products, or affiliate marketing. Now, before you start Googling how to become a millionaire by tomorrow, remember, the goal here is $1,000. Once you've chosen your method, it's time to set up your foundation. And that brings us to Step 2. Step 2. Build your online presence. Your online presence is your storefront. Make it professional, make it clear, and make it you. Now, here's where most people get stuck. But not you, because you're about to learn the secret to turning your platform into a money-making machine. Step 3. Take action and scale. So, start small. Reach out to your first client, post your first product, share your first affiliate link. And here's the kicker. Once you make your first 100, scaling to 100, scaling to 1,000 becomes so much easier. Think of it like a snowball. At first, it's tiny, but as you keep pushing, it grows faster and faster until it's unstoppable. But before you go, there's one more thing you need to know, something that could make or break your journey to $1,000. Here's the secret no one tells you. Making your first $1,000 online isn't just about the money. It's about proving to yourself that you can do it. And once you've done it once, you can do it again and again. So what are you waiting for? Pick your method, build your platform, and take that first step. Now, if you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, I've got something special for you. Check out my video on financial mistakes I made in my 20s. It's packed with lessons that'll save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. Thanks for watching, and remember, your first $1,000 is just the beginning. See you in the next video.